Okay, be honest with me. Are you thinking about buying a car right now? If you're walking into that dealership focused on just the monthly payment, you're about to make one of the most expensive mistakes in personal finance. And I know what you're thinking, but I can afford $500 a month. Yeah, no, you're basically walking into a financial blender wearing a meat suit. And the average new car payment hit $749 a month in 2025, according to Experian. But here's the kicker. That monthly payment isn't even close to what that car actually cost you. AAA says the true cost is closer to $965 per month. And that's before your actual car payment. And today, I'm giving you 3 numbers that will save you from financial disaster. Your future self is begging you to stick around for this. Reason number 1, the monthly payment trap with comment engagement, the just make it work illusion. Here's the thing. When you walk into a dealership and say, I can afford $600 a month, you just gave that salesperson a blank check to your financial future. The monthly payment is a shell game. According to AAA's 2025 analysis, the true cost to own and operate a new vehicle is $965 per month, and that doesn't even include your actual car payment. So if you're financing a $35,000 car, you're looking at your $600 payment plus another $400 to $500 in ownership cost. That's over $1,100 a month total. Here's what actually happens. You tell the dealer $600 and they stretch your loan from 60 months to 84 months. That's 7 years. Congrats. You're now paying for that car longer than most marriages last. And over those 7 years, you're paying an extra $2,000 to $3,000 in interest. My friend Eric made this exact mistake. Told the dealer $550 a month. They stretched the loan to 84 months, added warranties he didn't ask for, and 3 years later, his car needs new tires and brakes, and he's got 4 more years of payments on a car that's worth $10,000 less than what he owes. So drop a comment below. What's the dumbest thing you've added to a car deal that you didn't need? And I'll go first. I once bought paint protection for $800. It's literally just expensive wax. Anyway, let me know yours down in the comments. Now, reason number 2, the affordability formula nobody teaches you. The math that actually matters. Okay, so how much car can you actually afford? Let me give you the formulas the car industry doesn't want you to know. The 25% rule. Keep your car purchase price at 25% or less of your gross annual income. Make $60,000, that's a $15,000 car max. Make $80,000, that's $20K for the car. Make $100,000, you're looking at a $25,000 car. But JD, that means I can't buy a brand new car. Exactly. Welcome to actual financial intelligence. The 10% payment rule, your total monthly transportation cost should not exceed 10% of your monthly gross income. That includes car payment, insurance, gas, and maintenance. Make $5,000 a month, that's $500 total for all car expenses. Make $7,000 a month, that's $700 for everything. Most people think they can afford $700 for a car payment without realizing that insurance, $200, gas, $150, and maintenance, $100, pushes them to $1,150. You just blew past the 10% rule by almost double. And here's the true cost breakdown from AAA for that average new car. Depreciation, $4,334 per year. Your car losing value. Insurance, $1,500 to $2,000 per year. Fuel, $1,500 to $2,500 a year. Maintenance, $1,200 a year. Registration and taxes, $500 to $800 per year. That's nearly $10,000 per year beyond your car payment. That's a brand new MacBook Pro every year that you're just lighting on fire. My buddy Alan, 80 years old with a 9-figure net worth, told me wealthy people buy affordable cars and drive them forever. Poor people buy expensive cars and trade them in every 3 years. The dude's been driving the same Lexus for 12 years. Meanwhile, people making a tenth of what he makes are rolling around in brand new Range Rovers they can't afford. Here's the fix. Do the math right now. Take your gross annual income times 0.25, and this equals your max car budget. Take your monthly gross income times 0.10, and this equals your max total monthly transportation budget. These numbers are your financial guardrails. Reason number 3, the dealer psychology game, the mindset trap. How your brain becomes their ATM. Here's the meta reason people mess up car buying. They let the dealer control the entire psychological game. These salespeople do this every single day. You do this maybe once every 7 years, and you are a lamb walking into a den of wolves. And the biggest trick, they make you fall in love with a car first. You test drive it, they compliment your taste, your brain releases dopamine, you're mentally parking it in your driveway, and then they start talking numbers. And here's what you need to understand. The purchase price is separate from your trade-in, which is separate from financing, and that's separate from add-ons. But dealers blend them all together so you can't track what's happening. They'll say, if we give you $5,000 for your trade-in and keep your payment at $550, we can make this work. And your brain thinks they're helping. They're not. They lowballed your trade-in by $2,000, stretched your loan to 84 months, and added $4,000 in warranties you don't need. You just lost $6,000 and you think you won. Oh, and buying new? Don't even get me started. The second you drive off the lot, that car loses 10 to 15% of its value. You're paying a $5,000 premium to huff toxic chemicals, and that's literally what new car smell is. And the average new car loses $4,334 in value every year. The sweet spot? A car that's 3 to 5 years old. Most depreciation is gone, but it's still reliable. You're letting someone else eat the cost while you get a nearly new car for 40 to 50% less. My friend bought a 4-year-old Honda CR-V and bought it for $18,000, sold it for $10,000, and that's $8,000 in depreciation. And someone who bought the same car new for $32,000 lost $22,000. Same car. One person paid $14,000 more to be the first owner. That's a down payment for a house. Never fall in love before you know the numbers. Walk in with your maximum price calculated, that 25% rule. Get pre-approved for financing from your bank before the dealer. And if you're paying cash, don't tell them until after you've negotiated the price. Dealers make money on financing, so knowing you're paying cash kills their incentive to give you a good deal. All right, here's your action plan. Your 3 numbers: maximum car price, gross annual income times 0.25. This is your hard cap on what you can afford. A maximum monthly transportation budget, gross monthly income times 0.10. This covers payment plus insurance plus gas plus maintenance. The true 5-year cost. Use Edmunds or the AAA calculator and make sure the total fits your budget. And then your buying strategy. Calculate your 2 numbers first before you even look at cars. Get pre-approved financing from your bank, not the dealer. Research 3 to 5-year-old used cars. Let someone else eat depreciation. Focus only on out-of-the-door purchase price, not monthly payment. Keep trade-in and financing completely separate discussions. Walk away if the numbers don't work. Your money should be working for you, not rotting in a depreciating metal box. Look, I get it. Buying a car feels like progress. It feels like success. But I can barely afford the payment doesn't make you wealthy. I bought well within my budget and I'm investing the difference makes you wealthy. Just use those 3 numbers. 25% of your income for purchase price, 10% of monthly income for total transportation cost, and check the true 5-year cost. Future you will thank you. Current you might need therapy, but that's what the money you saved is for. Check out my book, Middle Class Mindset Escape Plan, linked below for more on building actual wealth, and watch this video next for more tips. And go calculate those numbers. Peace be with you, and may your assets appreciate while your car payments evaporate.